Hey, I'm AD. Welcome back to my shed shop. Little confession to make. I just spent 10 minutes waffling on to myself, thinking I was recording. I wasn't. Whoops. So, here's what I was talking to you about when you wasn't listening. No one was listening apart from myself. I noticed my first video, and maybe my second, that, you know, hopefully this is number 3, that my videos were a little bit grainy, maybe a little bit dark when the light was low. Now I have lights in the shed shop. They're not the greatest, they're not the brightest, they're festoon lighting, because, to be fair, the only electricity I've run into my shed shop is from a 30-metre cable reel from my house, and I have to do that every single time I come in here. I don't have on-site power. It's okay, I don't need it. Well, I don't need it yet, I probably will need it soon enough, but anyway, I thought, why not get some lighting attached to you? Not you, the camera on the truck that I'm talking to right now. I mean, if I wanted to attach lighting to you, I would say, here, hold this and give you a light. There you go, attached. Job done. No. So I got a little screw hole in the top of my camera mount. Yes, that's the one. And I thought, I know, there must be something I can attach to that. I don't want to go out buying one of these big ring light things that lights everything up. So that, or one of those big panel lights that you get, and I certainly don't have the room in here. Well, I probably do have the room here. I don't need the big umbrellas with the shiny insides and the lights flashing into them, you know, like photographers have, and lighting studios and things, and the bee. And you know, it's just one of those things. Oh, maybe you'll be able to see me better. You probably don't want to see me better, but maybe you'll be able to see what I'm working on better, which is really the whole point of these videos. Is that the whole point of these videos? Well, the whole point of these videos is for me to talk to someone other than myself, I suppose, while I'm doing things that you might learn from. We can learn together. We have a bit of fun. Anyway, I thought, I've got a light. I've got a really good light as it goes. I have this. Now this, it's a bike light, I know, but if I remember right, it's got 3 T6 Cree T6 LEDs in it, and they get extremely hot. Hence, this whole thing is aluminium, full aluminium, massive heat sink. It also has a battery, which is, get this, 4 18650 batteries, which I find is quite impressive considering this is a bike light. But I thought maybe, it's also got a nice waterproof connection, so I thought maybe I could, like that, blind myself. How can I show this? Oh, let's take off those magnifiers. Okay, no, it doesn't help at all. Hold on. Let's stick them back. I just put my hand there. Right, so that's it. It's low intensity, medium, and that's its bright intensity. Now I can see how bright that is just from, this reflecting off of me onto you, and jeepers into my eyes. Off we go. There we go. Now I can't see the camera at all. Anyway, I thought, I wonder if there's a way where I could attach this. Oh, crumbs. Maybe that'll go around the tripod, yeah? The tripod is not that thick. I mean, you know, that wouldn't really stay. And not only yet, it would only be pointed wherever the tripod was. So I think we're going to have to investigate. I think this comes off because this is plastic. That bit right there. Plastic alley. And there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but just in there, there's a little doodah. What's it called? That looks like a screw hole cover. Yes. This could make it fun. Now I've got one of are they, 1/4 inch? Which would be what, 6.4 mil M4? Something like that. Holes in the top of that, and this is most definitely not that size. Definitely not that. That's small. How small? I have no idea. So, that's it, just go throwing it everywhere. That is the hole I need to find a bolt for. Over here, I have one of these lovely drawer things that everyone should have. Big un. The big box. Alright. The big box. It's got to be you. M6. M6. There we go. We have a winner. M6. I think that's M6. Yeah, it must be, because these are M8. The M4 was too small. That's the same, isn't it? Yes, it is. What about you? See, I like these ones with a big head, so I actually use them often. So, if I can get away with one which I don't use that often, with an ugly head on it. Yes, it fits. Oh, that's brilliant. Yes. Let's cut this down, shall we? Okay, so here we are at the vise. Pinch that down. There. Now, I'm just going to use these as a guide, see? Bend the thickness of your blade. That one's pinched up to there, which holds that in place. No wibble wobble wibble wobble. Move that up, and you can literally just set it to whatever size you need. Saw blades. Whoops. You didn't mean to see it. Yes, okay. So, one hacksaw. One hacksaw. Hot. Hot. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Burny, 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 burny. Yeah, take that out. Ha ha ha! Hot. Leave that to cool down. Okay, right. That has cooled sufficiently. So, file next. File off this tiny little bird that's on it. Stay there, there we go. See, magnets are great. Use them everywhere. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little tiny burr on the top of this. Now, that needs to come off, so this can screw on and screw off. Well, not this one, but the other one. I'm going to use the other one. The other one's bigger. Anyway, let's just whack that in there. Doesn't need to be tight so you don't damage the thread. And where's that bow? Oh, it's there. It's quite sharp. Making that rounded so it works. Now there'll be people swearing at the camera now. That's not the way you do it. Well, it works for me. So therefore, that's the way I do it. Yes, I think I was actually filing the vice there, which was a daft thing to do, don't you think? Yes. Now, how's that? That feels nice and smooth. Yes, there's nothing there going to cut me. Whack that back on there. Undo that. Threads are good now. It's worked. Result. So, there we go. Now we need to try and attach the light to the camera. Okay, so you know when you've had a brilliant idea and you think, yes, I know where there's a longer one of these. There, much longer. Took it from the bike Dubry. The bike attachment? Yes, the bike attachment. And these ones are great. See, they actually have a proper nut that goes through. because I just thought, yes, that'll go on there. That'll go on there. Do up. Yes! Done it. How am I attaching this? I'm attaching it with this, aren't I? Yes, I am. Because I've already done it all. Open. Sesame. There. That will then go on there. Bosh. This will then sit on top of the camera like that. And then light will be attached here, and I can move it around to be in the same shot as the camera. Magnifique. How's that sound? That sounds brilliant. That way, that way. Yes! Now let's hope it sticks. Okay. Okay. Come on, come off. Off with that. Bish bash bosh. I hope I haven't just ruined all of my mounts on a whim. Going, yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, and it doesn't. It wouldn't be the first time that I've messed something up that much. I think that's got it, you know. Oh. Now, should we give this a go? Right. We'll be back. Okay, all attached and ta-da! Oh wow, that's very bright, and that's on the lowest setting and the very brightest. Okay, and off. Oh, maybe I need a bit of a diffuser in front of it, huh? I don't know, that's not so bad. Let's go up. Further away we go. That's not so bad. Huh? I think that's worked all right. And there we have it. Ha! I've made my own light. Yes, it's a bit bright if I shine it in my face. Yeah, I think I might need to make a diffuser. How are we going to do that? You're thinking acrylic and scratch it up? Sandpaper and acrylic? That's a brilliant idea. Oh, what's your idea?
It depends on what colour you want.
Depends on what colour I want.
Clear acrylic?
Well, I'm thinking clear acrylic. You know, it'll diffuse it more than make me blue or green or red. And I have blue acrylic and I have red acrylic. I have white acrylic. Maybe that'd be too thick.
Hey, it's only a little bit. Worth a try.
Worth a try. We'll pick it up another time then, huh? Yeah. Well, tune in again next time. Yeah. I forget which video this is. Number 3 maybe? I think it's number 3. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And hit subscribe. If you like it, I mean you might not. But you know, I enjoy making them. It's helping me. Might be helping you, might not be helping you. But it's helping me. Might give you a laugh, might not give you a laugh. But it's helping me. And I like it. So, this is AD. This is my little shed shop. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.